Hey guys, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're talking about a topic that's transforming the way goods move around the world, AI and transportation. As you know, logistics is the backbone of global commerce. It's how everything from the clothes we wear to the food we eat gets from point A to point B. And with the rise of e-commerce and skyrocketing consumer expectations, the pressure on the supply chain has never been greater. Just imagine, millions of packages are being shipped every single day, and that creates a huge logistical challenge. How do we ensure these packages are delivered on time, in perfect condition, and at the lowest possible cost? That's where AI comes in. AI is providing the transportation and logistics industry with the tools it needs to become smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. One of the most exciting ways AI is transforming transportation is through route optimization. Think about it, delivery trucks often get stuck in traffic, wasting time, fuel, and money. AI algorithms can analyze real-time traffic data, weather conditions, even construction updates, to find the most efficient route possible. We're not just talking about saving a few minutes here and there. AI-powered route optimization can significantly reduce delivery times, fuel consumption, and ultimately, your hard-earned cash. But AI's capabilities go way beyond just finding the best route. It's also transforming the way we maintain our vehicles. Let's say you're running a fleet of delivery trucks. With AI-powered predictive maintenance, you can actually anticipate potential breakdowns before they happen. AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors embedded in your vehicles, tracking things like engine temperature, tire pressure, and brake wear and tear. By identifying potential issues early on, you can schedule maintenance proactively, minimizing downtime and avoiding costly repairs down the road. It's like having a crystal ball for your vehicles. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the self-driving truck on the highway? Autonomous vehicles are no longer a thing of the future. They're here, and they're already starting to change the game in transportation. Powered by AI, these trucks can navigate complex road conditions, avoid obstacles, and even communicate with each other. And the benefits are huge. First and foremost, self-driving trucks have the potential to make our roads much safer. Driver fatigue is a major factor in trucking accidents, and autonomous trucks never get tired or distracted. They can operate 24/7, covering longer distances and improving delivery times. Plus, they can drive in a more fuel-efficient manner, which is great news for the environment. However, not everyone is on board with the rapid adoption of AI in transportation. The Owner-Operator Independent Drivers Association, or OIDA, has raised some valid concerns. They argue that while AI has a lot of potential, rushing to implement and proven technology could have unintended consequences. And they have a point. We've seen it happen before with other technologies that promised to revolutionize the trucking industry, but ended up creating more problems than they solved. Remember those electronic logging devices, or ELDs? While ELDs have improved safety and compliance in many ways, they also came with a hefty price tag and created headaches for many independent truckers. OIDA is particularly concerned about the safety of autonomous vehicles. They argue that we need stricter regulations and testing standards to ensure that self-driving trucks are safe for everyone on the road. It's important to remember that AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. And if those systems encounter situations they haven't been trained for, the consequences can be unpredictable. That's why it's crucial to have robust testing and safety protocols in place before we unleash fleets of autonomous trucks onto our highways. Another concern raised by OIDA is the potential impact of AI on trucking jobs. It's no secret that automation has the potential to displace workers, and the trucking industry is no exception. Self-driving trucks could potentially eliminate the need for human drivers altogether, putting millions of people out of work. What happens to those drivers? Will they need to find new careers? Will they have access to retraining programs? These are important questions that we need to be asking and addressing now before it's too late. Beyond safety and jobs, there are also a whole host of ethical considerations surrounding AI and transportation. For example, who is liable if an autonomous truck gets into an accident? The manufacturer of the truck? The software developer who created the AI algorithms? The company operating the truck? These are complex legal questions that we're only beginning to grapple with. And what about privacy concerns? AI-powered transportation systems collect vast amounts of data about our movements and driving habits. How is that data being used? Who has access to it? These are not easy questions, but they're ones that we can't afford to ignore. So what's the verdict? Is AI going to revolutionize transportation or destroy it? Well, like most things in life, the answer is probably somewhere in between. AI has the potential to make our transportation system safer, more efficient, and more sustainable, but we need to proceed with caution and address the legitimate concerns about safety, jobs, and ethical implications. One thing's for sure, the future of transportation is going to be fascinating. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI and transportation? Are you excited about the possibilities or concerned about the potential downsides? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.